Hey everyone, it's Dr. Josie here. If you've been dealing with nagging pain on the outside of your elbow, especially when gripping or lifting, you might be experiencing tennis elbow, also known as lateral epicondylitis. In today's video, we'll cover what's really going on in the joint and go through some simple stretches to relieve that discomfort. So let's get started. Tennis elbow is a form of tendinopathy affecting the extensor carpi radialis brevis tendon right here on the outside of your elbow, where it attaches to the lateral epicondyle of your humerus. This area becomes inflamed or degenerative due to overuse, especially from repetitive wrist extension or gripping activities, things like typing, racket sports, or even lifting weights. It's a common injury in athletes, but even office workers are susceptible. The key to recovery: rest, targeted stretches, and correcting faulty movement patterns. So today I'm going to show you a couple stretches you can do to help alleviate the pain. So let's start with a gentle warm-up stretch. Extend your arm straight in front of you with your palm facing down. Now with your other hand, gently pull your wrist downwards and hold for 20 seconds. You should feel a mild stretch in your forearm. This helps lengthen the extensor muscles and reduces tension at the tendon. Next, we'll deepen that stretch. Again, the arm out in front. Place your palm up. Pull the wrist downward. This variation targets a slightly different angle of the forearm. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times on each side. You should really feel it right in this muscle here. So now that we've loosened up this area, let's build some tendon tolerance with an isometric hold. Place your hand on a table, palm down, and place your fingers into the table without letting your wrist move. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. This strengthens the forearm extensors without aggravating the tendon, starting with 3 to 5 reps and working your way up as tolerated. And switch sides. One more helpful technique is gentle self-mobilization. With your opposite hand, apply pressure just below your elbow while you slowly rotate your forearm, palm up, palm down. This promotes circulation and reduces stiffness in the area around the joint. You can do this for about 20 to 30 seconds per side. Switch. These simple stretches and exercises can help reduce pain and speed up healing. But remember, consistency is key, and if your symptoms persist beyond a few weeks, it's worth getting a proper assessment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more injury tips and chiropractic care. I'm Dr. Josie, and I'll see you in the next one.